5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Letter E ba to? Letter E, okay? Letter E. Oh, uy, hindi yan letter E ha. So, point for Dina, Kadrikit, and Doodlers. Next. Letter N. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and... Okay, so only this group formed letter N. Okay, 1 point. Next, you form letter C. Letter C. 5. Asan ang curve ng letter C? Bakit kabigat na nasa baba ng letter C? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and freeze. C. Okay, point for everybody for letter C. And last one, letter A. A. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 8. Ano nangyari sa letter A dito? Parang W. Okay, so point dito tayo kay Dina, Kadrikit. Okay. So, 3 and 4 para makahabol ang team nila dito. So, out of your body, you form the letters D, A, and C, E individually. Yes, hindi kayo lahat. So, ibig sabihin, you assign sino mag letter D, sino mag letter A, so on and so forth. So, I'll give you count. Basta dapat D, A, N, C, E, kayo lang. 5 lang kayo. Ten counts. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1, and freeze. D, A, N. Asan ang E niyan? D, A, N, C. How about you? What's that, Hanakim? Why do you do like that? What's that letter? What letter is that, Hanakim? C? Asan ang dance? Okay.